In this video, I'm going to reveal 6 easy steps to make $217 a day with a simple 5-minute repeatable method. Now you can see the screenshot right here of my Gmail account, and you can see these deposits hitting over and over and over again. Now with this method, it can be done from anywhere in the world. It doesn't matter what country or what location you're in, you're going to be able to follow this method. It also can be done without previous experience or any tech skills. And last but not least, it's a truly copy-paste method. So if you love copy-paste methods where you can just follow simple step-by-step instructions, then this video is for you.
But before that, if you want to learn online money-making methods, affiliate marketing, or how to create passive income, be sure to go down below, click the subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always notified of my latest video. Last, if you want to discover my #1 recommended way to make money online, click the first link in the description to check it out. Without further ado, let's begin today's video.
Okay, so I have the steps right here to do this easy method. I'm going to go through one by one, and I'm going to reveal them step by step so you can follow this as you watch very closely. Okay, so the very first step is we want to search for an article in a specific niche on Google. For example, best healthy recipes. Now with this method, you can do any single niche or topic you want. You could do weight loss, you could do making money online, you could do Forex, really any topic that you want, okay? But what I recommend you do is if you're just starting, you start in one of the 3 evergreen topics, which is either health, wealth, or relationships. I'm gonna do health, and I'm gonna do the best healthy recipes, okay? So I can copy this, I can go into Google here, and I just wanna search, okay, this right there. Now, once we search that topic, what's gonna happen is different articles and blogs are gonna appear. Okay, so what we want to do is we want to go back to the next step, and we want to actually copy the link to an article. Now, it does not matter what article you choose, okay? Any article that has to do with the topic that you put in there, in my case, best healthy recipes, is going to work incredibly well. So I can literally open up this article here, 81 healthy dinners you'll actually look forward to eating, okay? So this is an article that has to do with different healthy meals that has to do with, again, the niche and topic that I put in there, okay? You can see that you can view the gallery there. That's not important. All we want to do is go to the very top, and we want to copy the URL to this article, and we want to keep it handy because we're going to use this for the very next step, okay? So if I go back to the steps right here to this incredibly easy copy-paste method, the next step, step number 3, is what we want to do is we want to go to a website called shrinkearn.com. Okay, we want to register for a free account. So if I go over to that website now, shrinkearn.com, this website is absolutely incredible. Okay, a lot of people don't know about it. What this website does, it allows you to shorten a long URL link. And then what happens is if we get people to click that link, it's going to show them ads, and we're going to be able to actually earn when people view those ads, okay? So stick with me in this video because I'm going to share exactly how this works and then how to get massive amount of people very easily to click our links so we can earn incredible money every single day, okay? So real quick, I want to share with you though the rates. Okay, so this is by country. This is sharing with you about how much money you're going to make per 1,000 views. So every time someone clicks on your link, okay? So if you're in Greenland, it's going to be about $20 for 1,000 views, okay? And you can look at this, okay? A lot of people who watch my videos very closely are in the United States. It's going to be $7, okay? So $7 for 1,000 views. Now, I want you to keep watching again because with this method, we're going to get tons of views very, very easily. So we're going to be able to make some pretty good passive income on a daily basis, okay? So you can check this out under publisher rates based on your country. Okay, again, like I said, you just want to sign up for a free account. To do that, you would just click sign up here. You create a username, password, and then once you're inside, you'll get taken to your dashboard, okay? Now, once you're inside your dashboard, you can go up here to new shorten link. And what I can do is I can paste in that article link that we copied, and I can click shorten, okay? And what that's going to do is give us this link here, okay? Now, this is the link that we want to promote. This is the link that we're going to get a massive amount of people to click. So we're going to start to make some pretty darn good money. Now, I want to share with you what happens when someone clicks this link so you can understand how this works and how we're going to be able to make some really good income. Okay, so let's imagine that I'm a person, someone else, and I go to this link. Okay, so as you can see right here, it first shows this page. You can see these different ads, right? So what happens is people are going to go to this page first before they go to the article, and they may click this. Okay, they may click this, they may click this. These are all ads. And ShrinkEarn.com is going to pay us every time someone clicks on these ads. Okay, and then they'll go to I'm Not a Robot, click here to continue. Okay, and then they'll still see another one. And then eventually, okay, what will happen is they will get taken to that article. It's going to redirect them to this. Okay, so now we want to go back to the steps. Okay, and I actually jumped ahead. Okay, we want to shrink the link to the article I pasted into that site. So we already did that. Okay, remember, this is the shortened link, and we want to keep this handy because we're going to get a massive amount of people to go to that link. Okay, so now step number 5 in this 6-step method is what we're going to do is we're going to go to Fiverr.com and we want to search Instagram shoutouts. Okay, now I have Fiverr open right here. If you don't know what Fiverr is, it's very, very powerful. What you can do is you can go here, you can register for a free account, and then you can purchase tons of different things for as little as $5. Okay, anyone can find $5. Remember, this is an investment. It's a one-time $5 investment. Okay, $5 is the price of, I mean, even like, a pack of gum nowadays. So it's really nothing when you're going to start to make money with this method. And again, what we want to do is go here and we want to type in Instagram shoutouts and we want to search that. Okay. Now what's going to happen is this is going to share with us all these different people that are offering gigs that we can purchase for as little as $5 to get shoutouts. Okay. So this one right here, if I go to it for $5, okay, it says, I will Instagram shout out a 90,000 follower page. This person has 90,000 followers on an Instagram account. And basically you can see right here, okay, if we look, it says 100K active page, high engagement and reach. Okay. And again, what we can do, right, is we can actually purchase this. So I can go here to basic, continue, and I can actually purchase a shout out. Now what's going to happen is they will actually make a post. Okay. It depends on the gig. Okay, some of these, if I go back, okay, so let me look for another one, and they have a lot of them. Okay, so this one right here, it says, so what will you get? Your photo, video on my page, swipe up link to your account, custom caption, okay, hashtags of your choice. So they were going to shout out on a 1 million follower Instagram page. Okay, so once they make a post, what we want to do is we want to get them to promote our link right here. Okay, because they're going to post and they can say something in the post that says, hey, discover the top 81 healthy dinners, okay, or whatever the article is. Then what's going to happen is they're going to post this link on their Instagram. They're going to shout out this to 1 million people, okay, depending on the gig. And tons of people are going to click on your link. And because we're going to get paid, okay, anywhere from, $7 for every 1,000 views, we're going to start to make some pretty darn passive income. Okay, so again, just in the United States, $7 is just 1,000 views. So that's going to make you money even from that $5 investment. Okay, and then what we want to do, the last step, again, we want to invest that $5 in a gig, get a ton of clicks, earning you easy money, and then you can just rinse and repeat. Okay, you can do this in tons and tons of niches. Now you can see right here, this one right here is in the niche food and beverage, internet tech, fitness, music. Okay, so food and beverage. So for the article that I have, this has to do with food and dinner. This would be a perfect gig to purchase for $5. Okay, this is the incredibly easy method to make money. If you got value and you want me to make more step-by-step videos just like this, be sure to smash the like button down below. Also hit that subscribe button and the bell icon so you never miss out on my latest step-by-step videos. And last but not least, this method is pretty darn good. But if you want to discover my #1 recommended method to make even as much as $1,000 a day, very, very automated, click the first link below and check that out. Anyway, my friend, thanks so much for watching, and I will see you on my next video.